morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lovely weather.
Yeah.
We got one boat over there trying to come in, which is quite tricky with this wind. And
There's a boat over there doing.
there's one over there,
there.
and we have no idea what's going on there.
Should we get some
Keel?
information?
Maybe the keel got stuck. It's too long.
Don't know. I saw him with an anchor.
Maybe it ran aground.
No.
No?
Deep enough. What's he doing?
What do you think, Christian?
I think they fouled their propeller.
Oh.
Prop wrapped it.
Yeah. Revving and all that.
I don't see a line though.
Morning, Dave.
Morning.
What a lovely day. If you're in England, yeah.
Yeah. So we're just watching that they don't drop their anchor. Not there, please.
Not there.
Not there, please. Not there. Don't drop it yet. Okay. Well done. It's a lot of shouting though, but okay. That's always exciting, isn't it, honey?
Made it. They made it. They made it.
Pip to the rescue! Okay, so now Pip is pushing them from the leeward side, and they're winching in the line which is attached here to the quay. So, and the guy shouldn't be diving at this moment because the boat is moving. Then
Yeah.
this is a bit weird. With the dinghy inside. A boat just left from the quay and hold up an anchor, and hopefully it's ours. Karistume Vlasi! Woo!
That's it. As far as we go. Straight under.
What is that, Ramon? What is that in your hands?
That's an anchor. Anchor.
Good change.
Whose anchor is that?
I know that's a 10mm chain. I wonder if that's
Be clear there, you know. Well,
I can actually see it.
Oh. You have it? Hey! Woohoo! Time for beer! Beer!
But no, first let's start with a break.
Yeah.
Like on the beginning of the race.
Oh my god, babe, we have a pirate on our boat.
Oh,
Somebody pirated our boat.
You
got like a dreadlock. So many times it twisted.
Whoa.
Probably when we prop wrapped, this baby went spinning around like nuts.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You see that?
That's amazing.
So it prop wrapped and it went around its own axle, right?
Yeah.
And then the pressure of the line and the rope cutter must have, worked out quite a bit, because this is a dreadlock.
Wow. That was a lot of pressure.
It's a lot of force.
Oh, yeah.
Loads of force on the prop as well. Let's see. Well, basically this is our battery compartment, and underneath that, let me just check if I can show it, is the shaft, the prop shaft. Yeah, it's hard to see, but yeah, we are measuring the voltage that runs through it to see if everything is okay with our anode. Because since we've been back on the quay, we have this really weird white substance on our rudder, and we're not sure what it is. So some people said it might be a node that is not working properly and a problem with the earthing. So we get the substance from the anode and it might be against the rudder. But apparently that's one option, and the second option would be that we, since we are on the quay, we hooked up to the electricity station that is here. It's not working as it should, because instead of giving electricity, if we're connecting to it and we pull the main lever off, which would mean there would be no electricity anymore, but it does, but there is, and the electricity goes from us to the station. So we might have some electrolysis going on there, and that's what we're going to try and figure out now. But I posted it on a few Facebook sites and asked around, but nobody seems to know an exact answer, and it's quite weird. So hopefully we'll fix it soon, because yeah, the rudder is quite an important thing, right?
Hello!
Happy faces.
Happy faces, because
Very happy.
not only did we get our good friend Pete over to look at the electrical system, which is 40 years old, the electrical system that is.
So it wastes a lot of energy and
Yeah.
shouldn't. So we need to change that. But
Yeah, so we had some good advice how to solve that problem. Also,
advice.
yeah,
Great advice.
we got talking and we mentioned that we need some new stuff for our boat, as everybody does, and we needed a new wind indicator and a wind speedometer. And like 5 minutes later, Pete came back with a bag, this bag of goodies right here. And yeah, you see that? And
So what do we got in there?
yeah, so what have we got in here? We got a Navman tracker. So this is a chart plotter, which is, has a card in it for the Ionians, and it has a wind indicator. So
I love that.
that is great, because
Yeah.
we all normally keep an eye out on the flags and on the wind generator, where the wind direction is coming from, but you can't always do that. So because sometimes we have the bimini up, and now this is the shape of our boat. So you can see it's blowing 15 knots
Yeah,
from starboard on the beam, or
perfect. So in storms we can now hook it up and watch it, and watch how many knots we get.
yeah.
We'll sure put it in our next videos.
Just going up the mast. This is a lot of job.
Yay!
Just goes up the mast and it shows you the direction where the wind's coming from and picks up the speed.
Amazing,
And
amazing.
we got this from our true Mutineer
Amazing.
friends, Debs and
Our
Pete,
number
so
one fans.
shout out to you guys.
You're gonna be in the comments.
Thank you a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, we're commenting about you right now as we do.
Yeah,
It's great if you think about it.
yeah. Pretty cool.
Guys, you rock.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm gonna cry.
Let's install this stuff. Oh, cool. And speaking about gifts and supports, look at these 3 car tires that Bobby brought over the other day. So thanks for that, Bobby. Really appreciate it. That keeps our stern a little bit more well, secure in case we need it. And also another pleasant surprise, really. Our friend Jordan left this behind on the stern of a boat the other day. Look at that. It's a it is a sheep's skull, and although it looks very awesome and gory and zombie like this way, I still have to clean it up with a little bit of chloride. So it will look like, well, one of these white scars over there.
Don't you come back no more, boy, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back. Said, don't you come back. Said, don't you come back. Said, don't you come back. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. If I could play the harmonica as well as this boy, oh, baby, I would know just where to go.
We've been walking for 3 days straight, are we not? So, oh man, we ran out of water, so everybody's drinking their own urine. Dying of thirst.
Hi guys, we just reached 2,000 viewers for one particular video. Can I have a cheers for sailing SV Mutiny?